Are you ready to find leaks and save money on your compressed air system? Learn more about the potential return on investment you'll see with a flow measurement solution. Compressed air leaks, using methods like leak detection surveys, often find dozens of leaks in large industrial plants, but they require specialty equipment, several hours of manpower, and must be scheduled with third-party vendors months in advance. Did I mention it's expensive? Why not get in the driver's seat and solve the mystery with accurate compressed airflow meters and submeters reading the supply and demand side of your compressed air system? You'll get an accurate picture of use and possible leaks anytime you need it. You can't manage what you don't measure. So let the instrumentation do the work for you and detect leaks as they develop. Energy.gov reports that an optimized 200 horsepower air compressor will give an annual energy cost savings of $50,000. So what are you waiting for? To learn more, click the link in the video description or visit our website at foxthermal.com. Make downtime a thing of the past with Fox Thermal, the industry leader in thermal mass flow measurement.